Welcome to spellzone. This would be a tutorial for mentors to go and look into their spellzone account of their learners. I'm going to log out first and then log in. Here you would click on students, and here you can see the students that are in spellzone. You can see how many days since they logged in. You can also go down here and click on the tests, and this is where you'll see how many tests that they have completed and the results of the test. You can also go and look at a more detailed look, and we're going to pick Abigail, and I can see here her activities split. She does a lot of course tests and look saying cover right. She doesn't do very many of the other ones, but it's suggested that they do a bunch of different things so that the circle ends up looking like a pie shape with all the colors. It will make them a well-rounded learner, and it will also help them with memorizing some of the words if they do that. So for Abigail, I can look at the results. And it tells me, how long they were on for and what date. I can also get a detailed view of what they were in. And it tells me that they're on page 2 of Unit 6 and for how many minutes. Also, if they did any games or anything, it would all be listed here, but Abigail doesn't do that. For the results too,